Well, Steve Santani is live in Norfolk, Virginia, covering the trial of a Navy SEAL accused of punching a captured terror suspect in Iraq. Steve?
Yes, the trial of Matthew McCabe getting underway here in Norfolk, Virginia, and an exchange on the O'Reilly factor is cited by McCabe's attorney as a reason to throw the whole case out. I'll have that coming up.
A U.S. Navy SEAL is facing court-martial today in a case that has sparked a major controversy in the United States. Matthew McCabe is his name, facing charges for assaulting a terror suspect in Iraq. The detainee is accused of taking part in a horrific attack in which the bodies of 4 American contractors were burned, mutilated, and dragged through the streets of Fallujah. Steve Santani is at the courthouse. He's in Norfolk, Virginia. Steve, what's happening now?
Well, pretrial motions are underway. The actual testimony we expect to start tomorrow, but a very interesting filing by Matthew McCabe's attorney today. He's claiming there was undue command influence from the top down to keep these charges against the 3 Navy SEALs. Now, for evidence, he cites an exchange on the O'Reilly factor on April 22nd, and we can listen to that first, and then we'll talk about it. Here it is.
This Cleveland has the power to drop the cases.
It's a close one. I'm not sure that he does.
It's not close.
He could do it. I've spoken to people close to him just today, and they think that he is really being scapegoated in this case.
I don't believe it.
And he would like very much to do the right thing. And I think that maybe it comes from the chairman of the Joint Chiefs. It's very difficult for him to do it.
Now, General Charles Cleveland is who Geraldo is talking about. He's in charge of the special operations for Iraq and Afghanistan. And the allegation here, or the implication is that possibly General Cleveland got some pressure from higher up, and that's the reason he pressed the charges. In his filing today, Neil Puckett, the attorney for McCabe, says the clear implication is that Major General Cleveland is under pressure to charge the accused in this case in the wake of Abu Ghraib, regardless of the merits of the case. Now, this by no means proves that there was undue command influence, but it's something that the attorney says, if it happened, it needs to be considered by the court.
Steve, what other testimony do we expect here?
Well, today we're expected to hear from possibly Congressman Dan Burton, who, as you know, like the people behind me gathered here outside the Navy base gate, is very much in support of the Navy SEALs and has been very outspoken against it, along with other members of Congress. He could testify by a video conference in the courtroom today. We're also going to hear during the course of the trial, now not today, but tomorrow or the next day, Jonathan Keefe and Julio Huertas, who, as you know, were already acquitted of similar charges in the same case of this detention of Abed back in September 1st of last year, when they're accused of abusing the prisoner in their custody because there was some blood seen, but an oral surgeon will testify for the defense that was possibly because the accused detainee had scratched his lip to cause the blood to happen. So that's going to be one of the claims by defense attorneys here. Jane, back to you.
Steve Santani's in Norfolk for us. Steve, thanks.